Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best trumpet cleaning kits available on the market, the PAMPET Trumpet Care Kit. If you're a trumpet player looking to keep your instrument in top shape, this kit might just be what you need. The PAMPET Trumpet Care Kit is designed specifically for trumpet enthusiasts, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. It comes packed with everything you need to maintain your trumpet's performance and appearance. What sets this kit apart is not just the range of components it includes but the quality of those components. First, let's talk about the valve oil. This essential item is crucial for keeping your trumpet's valves operating smoothly. A well-oiled valve ensures quick response times and prevents sluggishness, which is vital during performances. The PAMPET valve oil is specially formulated to reduce friction and provide long-lasting lubrication, so you can play with confidence and clarity. In addition to the valve oil, this kit features a brass polishing spray. Over time, brass instruments can accumulate tarnish and dirt, which affects their shine and can even alter the sound quality. The polishing spray in the PAMPET kit effectively removes grime while adding a protective layer, ensuring your trumpet remains as beautiful as the day you bought it. Now, let's move on to the slide grease. This is another critical element for maintaining your trumpet. Proper lubrication of the slides ensures that they move freely, allowing for smooth transitions between notes. The PAMPET slide grease is easy to apply and helps prevent sticking, making your playing experience more enjoyable. And it doesn't stop there. The kit also includes a variety of brushes specifically designed for cleaning hard-to-reach areas of your trumpet. These brushes are essential for keeping your instrument clean and free from buildup that can affect both performance and hygiene. Whether it's for the mouthpiece or the inner tubing, these brushes make the job straightforward and efficient. Another great feature of the PAMPET Trumpet Care Kit is its thoughtful packaging. The components are neatly organized, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. This attention to detail is what you'd expect from a high-quality product, and it makes the cleaning process feel less like a chore and more like part of your routine maintenance. The PAMPET Trumpet Care Kit has earned a solid reputation, boasting impressive ratings and feedback from users. Musicians appreciate not just the quality of the items included but also how comprehensive the kit is. It's an all-in-one solution that simplifies the maintenance process, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. What's more, this kit is incredibly affordable. Priced at just $13.99, it offers exceptional value, especially when you consider the importance of maintaining your instrument. Whether you're preparing for a performance or just keeping up with regular maintenance, investing in a quality care kit is crucial for any serious trumpet player. So, if you're in the market for a trumpet cleaning kit that covers all the bases, look no further than the PAMPET Trumpet Care Kit. It's the best choice for trumpet players who want to ensure their instrument stays in peak condition. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products available. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this kit or if you have any questions. Keep playing and take care of your instruments, and we'll see you in the next video.